Game day and nacho cheese is made for each others, and we are going to make our nacho cheese at home. Let's begin. I'm going to use extra sharp cheddar today. I really like the flavor of it, but you can always use any other cheese you like. Pepper jack also tastes good. Gouda also tastes good. The first thing we need to do is grate this cheese. This is 8-ounce cheddar cheese. Cheese is grated, so I'm going to move it to another bowl. This is the easiest recipe ever. Let's turn on the stove, and we are heating a pan on the stove. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan. As soon as butter starts melting, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. So equal amount of butter and flour, and then we need to roast all-purpose flour on a low and slow flame. We do not need to brown it, but just cook the flour so raw smell is gone. So you can see butter has melted, so I'm adding couple of tablespoons of flour to it. Now we are going to roast it on very low heat. High heat will burn the flour quickly. So initially it may look lumpy, but as the flour cooks, it's going to be bubbly and lighter. So that way the flour is roasted. We just need to roast it till the raw smell of the flour is gone. This is a super simple recipe. It's done under 20 minutes from start to finish. So you can see flour is well roasted, it's bubbly, it's light, it's time to add the milk. I'm so sorry I missed the clip of adding the milk, but I added 1 cup of whole milk which I microwaved for 1 minute. So it was warm milk. I'm also adding 1/8 teaspoon of salt to this. Now our roux is ready. Now we are going to turn off the heat and adding the grated cheddar cheese. If you leave the heat on, cheddar cheese might separate. The roux, it will not be nice and creamy mixture. So heat has to be turned off when you add the cheese. So now we will have to just mix it well until cheese is melted and it becomes nice and creamy. So I'm going to turn on the heat again since the pan is getting cold, since the cheese was cold. The heat is on very low, and we'll have to stir it on a very low heat until cheese melts and becomes a nice creamy homogeneous mixture. So many people use Velveeta or processed cheese for this, but I like the flavor of cheddar much better. I also like the pepper jack cheese since I like the spicy food very much. So if you are like me and like spicy food, feel free to use pepper jack. So you can see our cheese sauce looks really creamy and smooth. So I'm going to turn off the heat at this point completely, and we are going to add our secret ingredient. So this is chopped pickled jalapeno peppers. This makes our cheese sauce really tasty. I'm also adding couple of tablespoons of jalapeno pepper juice, which is going to take our cheese sauce to the next level, and it's going to make it super tasty. It's little bit spice, but not really hot and spicy. So we are ready to serve our sauce now. I'm going to serve it with nachos. Of course, this is nacho cheese sauce, so we are going to serve it with nachos, but you can use it for many other things. I'm adding little bit of more chopped jalapeno on top, and we're going to serve. This recipe is super simple, super easy. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Stay connected for more simple recipes like this. And remember to subscribe and comment if you liked the recipe. We'll meet you soon with another simple recipe like this.